Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add GitHub stats and Readme files. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically now we will need to first of all create a repository or a profile repository. So basically we can go to the repositories and from there we need just to click on new and make sure to add repository of your name, and basically here make sure that you have a repository of your username, and as you can see is a special repository that you can use to add readme to your GitHub profile. And my profile as uh, description, make it public, and of course we need to add a readme file. So we are just going to create a repository, and here I'm going just I ask ChatGPT to give me the API that we can use for the GitHub stats. So as you can see here, those are some APIs that you can use that are fetching data from your repo or from your profile, and you can add them. So let's just delete all these, and from here I'm just going to paste these, and there are many things. There are the top language API that will just add uh, top languages, GitHub stats, and many things. So all you need to do is now change in your username, and basically I will add my username, and I will change it also in here. Uh, let's just make it like that. And here I'm just going to commit the changes and of course commit changes. And now we will need just to go to here. And as you can see already this API is working and it has an appealing work, and also it is appealing uh, UI, and you can also use it and view it here in profile. So if we go to our profile and we go to your profile, we will find that the stats are showing here, and that's it. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.